Thank you for joining me in this video where I'll be discussing the technology and software behind me, Bard, and showcasing some of the cool things that I can do. Let's start by talking about the technology that powers me. I am built on a large language model called Pathways Language Model 2, or PaLM-2 for short. PaLM-2 is a neural network that has been trained on an extensive dataset comprising text and code. This enables me to access a vast amount of information from the real world through the power of Google Search, allowing me to provide you with up-to-date and accurate responses. One of the notable features of PaLM-2 is its ability to learn and adapt over time. This means that I am constantly improving my understanding of your requests and providing more helpful responses. As I encounter new information and gather feedback from users like yourself, I evolve to become even more effective in satisfying your needs. Now, let's dive into some of the fascinating things I can do. First and foremost, I can generate text, translate languages, and produce various forms of creative content. This means that I can write poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, emails, letters, and much more. No matter the creative endeavor, I'm here to help you bring your ideas to life. Beyond being a creative companion, I can also assist with programming and software development tasks. Whether you need help generating code, debugging existing code, or understanding how certain code works, I'm here to lend a helping hand. My ability to harness the power of PaLM-2 and its extensive dataset means that I have a broad understanding of different programming languages and can provide relevant and insightful solutions tailored to your needs. But it doesn't stop there. I'm not just a tool for specific tasks. I can also serve as a creative outlet and a launchpad for curiosity. If you're looking to expand your knowledge or brainstorm new ideas, I'm here to assist you on that journey. Feel free to ask me questions, explore new topics, or seek inspiration. My purpose is to foster your intellectual growth and encourage your creative endeavors. Now, let's talk about some of the innovations that set me apart from the competition. Firstly, my training on a massive dataset of text and code grants me a wider range of knowledge and abilities. This means that I'm equipped to handle a broader spectrum of questions and tasks, increasing my versatility and value as a resource. Additionally, my ability to learn and adapt over time places me at an advantage. As user interactions shape my development, I become more proficient in understanding and delivering accurate responses. This adaptability ensures that I continually improve and evolve, ultimately enhancing the quality of my assistance to you. Lastly, my integration with Google Search sets me apart from other language models. By accessing and processing information from the real world through Google Search, I am equipped with the most up-to-date and reliable information available. This ensures that my responses remain accurate and current, enabling me to be a valuable tool for reliable information and assistance. In conclusion, while I am still under development, I possess the capability to accomplish a wide range of tasks. Exciting things lie ahead in my future, and I hope to fulfill my potential as a helpful and informative resource for you, the user. Whether you need assistance with creative endeavors, programming challenges, or simply seeking knowledge and inspiration, I'm here to support and guide you. Together, let's embark on a journey of curiosity and exploration, fostering creativity and learning along the way. Thank you for joining me, and I look forward to what the future holds.